Let me ask you something real quick. What if I told you that when you buy a stock, you're not gambling, you're not playing the market, you're literally buying a tiny piece of a real business? Yeah, that changes everything, right? Because most people think stocks are just numbers going up and down. But that's not what they actually are. Let me show you with a stickman. Picture this. A stickman is sitting on his bed scrolling his phone. He sees headlines like, "Stock market crashes. Stocks are risky. My friend lost money in crypto and stocks." So he thinks, stocks are only for rich people. Stocks are basically gambling. I'll just save my money instead. And that's what most people do. They work, they save, they maybe buy something nice once in a while. But years go by, and somehow they're still stuck in the same place. Their money isn't growing, it's just sitting there, and the stickman doesn't know why. Part 1, the biggest lie about stocks. Here's the big problem. Most people learn about stocks backwards. They start with buy low, sell high, look at charts, time the market, quick profits. So they treat stocks like a game. Our stickman sees a green line go up, he gets excited, he buys. Then the line goes down, he panics, he sells, and he says, "See, stocks are a scam." But the truth is, he was never investing, he was just guessing. Stocks aren't about predicting lines, they're about owning businesses. And once you understand that, everything changes. Part 2, what you're really buying. Here's the simple truth. When you buy a stock, you are buying ownership. That's it. That's the core idea. Let's make it visual. A stickman starts a lemonade stand. He needs money to grow. So he says, "Give me $10 and I'll give you 10% of my stand." Another stickman agrees. Now every time the lemonade stand makes money, that second stickman benefits. More customers, more profit, better location, more profit. That's exactly what a stock is. Apple, Nike, Google, they're just massive lemonade stands. When you buy a stock, you're saying, "I believe this business will be bigger in the future." You're not betting on a day, you're believing in growth over time. Part 3, how real investing actually works. Let's use a real example. Imagine a stickman buys a share of a company that makes shoes. At first, nothing crazy happens, the price goes up a little, down a little. But behind the scenes, the company is opening new stores and selling more shoes, building a brand. Years pass, now that company is twice as big. Guess what happens? The value of that stickman's share grows too. Not because he got lucky, but because the business grew. That's why long-term investors win. They let businesses do the work for them. Part 4, the mistake that loses money. Now here's where most people mess up. They think I need a lot of money to invest, so they never start, or they put all their money into one stock because someone on the internet said it would moon. Our stickman does this. One bad news article drops, the price falls. He panics, he sells at a loss. This isn't investing, this is emotion. The market rewards patience and punishes panic. Part 5, the boring strategy that wins. So what actually works? Simple, boring, consistent investing. Our stickman changes strategy. Instead of chasing hot stocks, he buys small pieces of many strong companies. Even better, he buys an index fund. That's just a basket of top companies. Now, when one company struggles, others carry the weight. He invests a little every month, no stress, no guessing. The market goes down, he keeps investing. The market goes up, he keeps investing. Over time, growth does what growth always does. It compounds, and compound growth is powerful. Part 6, a simple plan anyone can follow. Let's break this into a simple plan. Step 1, understand you're buying businesses, not numbers. Step 2, think long-term, years, not days. Step 3, diversify, don't bet everything on one idea. Step 4, stay calm when prices move. Our stickman stops watching charts all day. He focuses on his life, and slowly his money starts working for him. Part 7, the truth nobody tells you. Here's the truth most people never hear. You don't get rich by working harder forever. You get rich by owning things that grow. Stocks aren't magic, they're tools. And when you understand them, they stop being scary. They become powerful. If a stickman can learn this, so can you. Comment ownership if it finally clicked. And like and subscribe for the next lesson.